Whether there is yesterday's presentation or not, let me show you. Who has done yesterday's presentation?
Who is yesterday?
Yesterday, class 9, they didn't do presentation?
They did.
Sorry? Yes, that's why. Better to check also. We can find out here. Okay, by grade 8, presentation by grade 9 students, right? Because what they have presented, let's check once.
We'll chant Guru Bandhana once, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Guru Brahma, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Gurave Namah.
Okay, we started like that, right? Presentation by grade 9 students on 20th Jestha 2081 Sunday. Presentation of Kritika. This is the record, what you have presented, right? Diagram of parenchyma here done. Yes, sir. Next, who are the presented? With this? Nikisa, right? This figure is seen somewhere else, right? If you move, then it just video keeps on shaking. Hey, please don't do like that. Understood or not? Okay. In this way you are presenting. You must check how you are doing also. Oh, this is mine. Who was the last presenter yesterday? Who? Rajan Swati. Rajan means, I think. Who is it? Tony man. I can now Rajasthan. Who is this? So if they move camera like that, then it just seems like this. Keep in one place and then only. Okay, in this way, students are presenting in which one? Okay. What is today's date? 2081. Jestha 21. 2081, Jestha 21. So today some of the students are going to present. Who are they? First presenter is Sneha Malla Thakuri. Please welcome her on the stage. Why did you become late?
Sir, can I start?
Yeah, please start.
Namaskar and good morning to respected our science teacher and all of you, my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Sneha Malathakuri from Group C, standing here to discuss or present about the chapter of human nervous system 5.2. Now I would like to start. MCQ. Which of the following is an electrical signal that is responsible for the transmission of message in our body? Option is stimulus, spinal cord, sensory neuron and impulse, and answer is impulse. Next question is which part of the central nervous system is responsible for the reflex action? Option is cerebrum, spinal cord, cerebellum,
Everybody please pay
medulla
attention.
oblongata, and answer is spinal cord. Next question is which of the following fibers carries impulses away from the neuron? Option is dendron, dendrite, axon, A and B both, and answer is axon. And next question is which nerve carries impulses to the central nervous system? Option is sensory nerve, afferent nerve, motor nerve, A and B both, and answer is afferent nerve. And last question is which part of the brain is responsible for the posture of our body? Option is cerebrum, cerebellum, midbrain, A and B both, and answer is cerebellum. Thank you and have a good day.
Only 5 questions are given to you?
Yeah.
Only 5 MCQ? Okay. Thank you very much, Sneha. Actually, what I have thought means, if such questions are discussed, then later on students they will finish the work very quickly, isn't it? Right? Let's check whether the options selected by Sneha are correct or not. Okay. What is here? Which of the following is an electrical signal that is responsible for transmission of message in our body? Impulse, yes, Susan. Is it right or wrong? Impulse is right. Is it right? Give her a big round of applause. Good. Second question is here. Which part of the central nervous system is responsible for reflex action? Reflex action is governed by spinal cord. Is that right? This is also correct. Give her a big round of applause. Number C. What does the question say? Read the question.
Which of the following fibers carry impulses away from the neuron?
Impulses away from the neuron. So, she has chosen axon. What do you think? Right or wrong?
Right.
Axon carries the message away from the neuron or cell body. That's right. Give her a big round of applause. Number D. Which nerve carries impulses to the central nervous system? Sensory nerve, afferent nerve, motor nerve, A and B both.
Afferent.
So the correct answer is A and B both, because sensory nerve and afferent nerve, they have got same name, yes or no? So afferent and sensory nerve. So I think this is wrong. So correct it. Right, everybody? It is the correct one. Number E. Which part of the brain is responsible for the posture of our body? Cerebrum, bellum, midbrain, A and B both. Which one is correct?
Bellum.
Cerebellum. Give her a big round of applause. Please mark in your what do you say, copy or your this book. Now whose turn? Tejas Kumar Babu. Welcome him on the stage. Tejas, either you stand over this side and present, or you can stand that side and present. Okay?
Tejas.
So if they are disturbing, they can sit in this side. One just go that side near to Arena, and one you come here. Okay, Sneha, you go near to Arena. Next with this, you can go that side. Then it will come clear. Zoom it, eh? Okay. Don't keep so much.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to respected teacher and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me Tejas Kumar Babu standing in front of you to discuss some short question answers. What is nervous system? The system that receives the stimulus and transmits it to the another part of the body by the means
Yeah. So it will be blocked. Yes, right.
by the means of impulses which shows the corresponding effects is known as the nervous system. Name the cavity where the brain is located. The cavity where the brain is located is called cranial cavity. Where does the medulla oblongata arise from? The medulla oblongata arises from the myelencephalon, which is part of the embryonic brain. What is spinal cord? The spinal cord is a long, soft, and white, silky-like substance present in the neutral canal of the vertebral column. What is reflex action? Reflex action is an automatic response produced by effectors. It is also defined as involuntary action performed by the muscles under the direction of the spinal cord in the response.
Listen to him carefully.
Defined reflex are the road taken by impulses from their receptors to the effectors during involuntary axis is called a reflex arc, in between which the cerebrospinal fluid is found. Cerebrospinal fluid is found in the space between the arcuchinoid matter and pia matter, known as the subarcuchinoid space. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you very much. Tell us, how did you make this question answer? But here I saw date, there date, there date.
It wasn't like this, sir.
So there date means what did you use? You use global side. Now my daughter was saying gamma or omega or something like that. So what is there? So I think there are different techniques, right? So we are habituated of making in this Microsoft PowerPoint. They are doing in Google Slides. Another, I forgot, yesterday she was saying, I think that may be also helpful. You just check it. Okay. Let's check once again. So he has made this one. Did you type this by mouth? Yeah? Now there is mouth typing also.
Yes, sir.
That's why I found some of the mistakes here, no? For cerebrospinal fluid there was cerebrospinal fluid. For silky there was silly. So that type of mistakes. Actually, we know, our sound problem is there, right? Okay, children, see, look at here. So first question is here. Read the first question. What is nervous system? Read the answer. Hello. Right? Yes. Give him a big round of applause.
Listen.
Says us, he was not so much sincere earlier, but now he is really sincere and laborious as well. His father was also talking to me. So that is a great achievement. Give him a big round of applause. Okay. Question number 2. Read the question. Everybody.
The cavity where the brain is located.
So what is the answer?
Cranial
The cavity where the brain is located is called cranial cavity, or cranial cavity, or we can say cranium. Either. Sorry. Cranium you can write. Cranial cavity also okay, or cranium also okay, no problem. That cranial cavity is called cranium, or brain box. What do you call it?
Brain box.
BRAIN, brain box. Okay. Children, will you read question number 4?
Where does the medulla oblongata arise from?
Okay.
The medulla oblongata arise.
Read everybody.
Which parties of the embryonic brain remove
Okay, what did you write? Who has got the answer? Has anybody written the answer? Okay, what is it? Bottom part of the brain, here written. Others? What is that? Bottom part of the brain, that is okay, but this is myelencephalon. This is the main part. That part is called myelencephalon. Okay. Now next one.
What is spinal cord?
Come on, read the answer.
Spinal cord is a long, soft, and white silly-like substance
Here is
present
silly, but it should be silky. Okay.
present in the neutral middle of the word.
Oh, white jelly-like. That's right. Thank you. So instead of writing silky, what do you write there? Jelly. Yes. Jelly. Jelly-like substance present in the neural. That became neutral canal. Neural. Neural canal of the vertebral column. Okay. No, sometimes it becomes mistake. Have to do what to do. That's why we are discussing here. No. Yes or no?
Yes, so
Okay. Question number 5. Read the question.
what is reflex action?
Okay. What is the answer?
Reflex action
Involuntary action. This should be action, eh?
So they are also wrong, sir.
Which one?
Second letter.
reflex action.
Where? Oh, yeah. This must be action. ACTI. How it became such action action? No, when you were typing with mouth, or how did you get it? I think because of mouth typing, right? Which software do you use for mouth typing?
Amro keyboard.
No, he uses Amro keyboard. Others? Now there many are there. Google input is also there. Yes or no? Gboard. If you use Gboard keyboard name is Gboard. There also you can type. Nowadays, I don't type anything while doing this one. Like I just make it on and it says, okay, speak aloud. I speak aloud. Type. Finish. But I have to check also sometimes, right? Action. This is action. Right? Performed by the muscles under the direction of the spinal cord in response to the stimulus. Okay, this is right. Now let's go to discuss next number. What does question number 6 say? Define reflex R. Read the answer.
The route taken by impulses for the receptors to the effectors during involuntary axis is called reflex.
I think 2 mistakes are there, right? 2 mistakes. That is route. One is not road. It's what it should be. ROUTE. Route. And involuntary, what is here? Action. Read the answer once again.
The route taken by impulses from
The route taken by impulses from their receptors to the effectors during involuntary action is called reflex arc. Okay. Now, next question is question number 8. 7. What does question number 7 say? Please read. Here also it should be membrane. MEMBRANE. It became membranes. No, we do mistake and we don't know whether we have done mistake or not. So other people, they can figure out about it and we have to correct it. Understood or not? That's why everybody is getting chance to present over here. Even Kritika is coming, she is presenting, and I think your duty was there yesterday, right? After 2 or 3 days your turn will come. It's just like that. Okay. Please read the question correctly.
In between which
Membrane
membrane
is the
is the
cerebrospinal.
form?
Here is food. It should be fluid. What is the spelling? FLUDE. FLUDE. Fluid. D.
ID.
ID. I also did mistake. That's right. FLUID. Right? Fluid. And here membrane. Membrane is there. Okay. What is the answer? Cerebrospinal fluid. Yeah, here is correct. CSF is found in the space between the arachnoid matter and the pia matter, known as the subarachnoid space. Yeah, that is right. Okay. So how many questions you have done? 7 question answers. So, thank you very much. Once again, give him a big round of applause. So, sometimes at the beginning we do mistake, then correct, and mistake and correct, and we'll get the better things, right? Now it's the turn of next smart students of Anupam. Those who are presenting here, they are really smart. They are genius. They have some sort of capacity. Not only some sort, they have lots of capacities. They make slides better than mine. See? Yes or no? Now whose turn?
Myself.
Yo, Baucha. Okay, Baucha is here.
You always wrong.
Wrong answer? No, don't say. Don't say. He is not very smart. Or you can sort there. Sort mail.
This not sir.
June 1st means when you are sent? A bit early?
Yes. I think this
Sita Nepali?
I have seen from my email but not.
Oh, okay, no problem. This one?
Yes sir.
Just a minute. La.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to Vice Principal sir, friends and my dear friends. As you all know, it's me for standing in front of you to
What is that boy writing
the
there? Hello?
topic
Learn it.
on along question sir. The first question is what is the right in short about spinal cord? The answer is the spinal cord is a long tubular structure composed of nervous tissue extending from the brain stem down through the vertebral column to the lower back. It serves as a primary conduit from transmitting neural signals between the brain and the rest of the body, facilitating motor control and sensory perception. Additionally, the spinal cord contains circuits that manage reflexes and other involuntary response. Its protection is ensured by surrounding vertebrae, meaning and cerebrospinal fluid. Damage to the spinal cord can lead to significant loss of function and sensation below the site of injury. And the function of the following organs for cerebrum. The cerebrum interprets sensory information from various parts of the body in the link perception of touch, vision, hearing, taste, and smell. It is responsible for planning, initiating, and controlling voluntary movements. Cerebellum. The cerebellum tunes motor activity, ensuring smooth and coordinated muscle movements. It helps to maintain and foster by integrating sensory input and making adjustments to muscle activity. Medulla oblongata. The medulla oblongata controls autonomic functions such as heart rate, blood pressure, and breathing. It houses reflex center for action such as coughing, sneezing, salivating, vomiting. Describe the reflex action clearly with an example. A reflex action is an automatic, rapid response to a stimulus that does not involve conscious thought. Each process is facilitated by a neural pathway called reflex arc, which typically involves sensory neurons, interneurons in the spinal cord, and motor neurons. For example, if you accidentally step on sharp objects such as pin or nail,
Then what do you do? Okay, for example, if we accidentally step on sharp objects such as pin or nail, then we scream. Yes or no? And we remove the part immediately from there. We must write, right?
describe one brain in short. The brain is a complex organ that serves as a control center for the nervous system. It is responsible for regulating bodily function, processing sensory information, and enabling cognitive abilities such as thought, memory, and emotion. The brain is divided into three main parts. Cerebrum, the largest part divided into left and right hemispheres, responsible for higher functions such as reasoning, problem solving, and voluntary movement. Cerebrum, located at the back of the brain, it coordinates muscle movements and maintains balance and fostering brain system. Connecting the brain to the spinal cord, it controls essential life sustaining functions like heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure protected by the skull and wings. The brain also communicates with the rest of the body through an intricate network of neurons and synapses. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. How many slides did you make? 3 slides.
One page is
But on the last nothing is here. Thank you, it is in second slide only. Ismaili also, right? Okay. Now tell me, who has got next presentation? Your that is long questions? Yes. And who is the next presentation? After Nistara?
Hello, 15. Absent.
She is absent, means today Nistara is the last presenter, okay? Remaining will be presented tomorrow because they have to write also. Once again, let's check, eh? Okay. Long questions means, children, long questions means it is of 4 marks every time, remember. In long questions, sometimes they may give only one question, sometimes they mix 2 questions and provide you. Understood or not? And I have already said, this time also, you will prepare question, you will make answer, and from there, question will be selected and asked in examination. But you have to make very standard questions. Understood or not? At first, what do? I will give one student different parts. Like, how many groups are there?
5.
I think 4 groups are there. No, I mean, 5 groups are there. Okay, then it's okay. Then I will divide that question paper into 5 parts. And one group will present one, another will present next. Everything will be done like that. Okay? Physiological structure and life process. Write in short about spinal cord. Spinal cord, always you have to remember, it extends from lower part of brain to tail. It lies in the hollow cavity of vertebral column. Its outer surface is white and inner surface is grey. Here remember, a white matter that is made up of axons, and grey matter, it is made up of cell bodies. Group of axon are present in white matter, group of cell bodies are present in grey matter. Okay? And the main function of spinal cord is to control the reflex action. What does it do? Controls reflex action. And very important thing, if spinal cord is injured, for example, if the spinal cord of this part, by this part is damaged, then below part does not function at all. Because spinal cord is the link between nerves and brain or not. It's just like the bridge. If the bridge is removed, then can we join 2 roads? No chance. That's why if there is any injury in that spinal cord, lower part become functionless, no function at all. 2 functions of cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum, large brain, and it is mainly responsible for perception of touch, vision, hearing, taste, smell, and not only that, it is the center for controlling voluntary muscles, imagination, thirst, hunger, etc. Cerebellum, actually cerebellum, what does it do? It helps in smooth and coordinated muscle movement, and it helps to maintain balance and posture. Medulla oblongata, small brain, it controls automatic functions such as heat, heart rate, blood pressure, breathing, and it is the main center of reflex action. Here is given the reflex action, and example we have already said. What are the examples of reflex action? Sneezing. Can we control sneezing? How fast it comes, right? Blinking of eyes, jerking of hand when we touch hot objects, right? Watering of mouth after seeing somebody eating food or smelling lovely and delicious food, right? Here is given a human brain. It's given here. A human brain, while describing, you must not forget to write cerebrum, cerebellum, brain stem. Okay. So thank you very much, Yud. Now the last presenter is coming with full joy and interest. none other than Nistara Sai. What type of clapping is that? Pat, clap together. Nistara Sai, I saw your name there at the top. Please click there. So, June 1st, I think. And there is experience of Nistara. Not attaching the document. And do you want to have some sort of problem? Please keep that pencil inside the bag.
6 lines.
6 slides are there? Oh. So, Anmol has already counted. Where is it? But it's not coming?
Sir, I have saw you some animation. You have to download for that.
No need, I think. I don't know. So, okay. Wait. You have download kept your animation?
Yeah.
Good. If animation is kept, I am going to download. Wait a minute. Look.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to our Vice Principal, Science teacher and my dear friends. It's me, Mr. Sai, as you know. And I have got some portion of chapter 2.5, Human Nervous System, long question answer E, F, G to present in the class. So I have made some slide. As you can see, this is the
No. Explain there only.
chapter 2.5, Human Nervous System and Science System. And question number 3, it's of E number. How do sympathetic and parasympathetic autonomic nervous system coordinate during and after emergency? The answer are the sympathetic and the parasympathetic autonomic nervous system being opposite in action enable to the body and adjust and maintain the steady state rapidly. During an emergency, the sympathetic system increases the heartbeat, blood pressure and blood flow to the brain. After the emergency is over, the parasympathetic system act and reverse. It means it is opposite to the same as sympathetics. As sympathetics increase the blood pressure, but parasympathetics decreases the blood pressure and heartbeat, blood flow. As you can see, reverse actions restoring the normalcy of the organs. This is the answer of E.
Well, the question is not there.
There should be, sir.
Wait a minute, read that. I'll go through.
No, sir.
Sorry?
That first one. It is of answer of G number. Describe the human nervous system. It was my portions. So the brain. The definition of brain is: the brain is the highly specialized, delicate organs of the human body, weighing 1.2 kg. As you can see your figure, it is the answer of long question answer of 4 marks. So you have to compulsory to draw a picture so that you can get a better marks in examinations. As it is also continuous same answer. It is the most important part of the human nervous system that lies in the craniums, which protect the brain from the injury. The brain is composed of soft nervous tissue covered with the 3 membranes together called meninges. They are outer dura mater, middle arachnoid matter and the inner pie matter. The brain consists 3 parts. They are cerebellum. It occupies most of the area of the brain. 2 is cerebellum. It is also called the smallest brain. Three is brain stem. The brain stem is the stalk-like structure that connect the cerebellum with the spinal cord. And G number is the last answer of my portion. Write the function of the following questions: cerebellum and cerebellum. Cerebrum. It is the center of intelligence, memories, imagination, and emotion. It is responsible for ordinary sensation like touch, pain, etc. It controls the function of other part of brain. It helps in conduct different types of motor action of nervous motor actions of muscles, and the function of cerebellum are it maintain equilibrium and control the posture of body movement, smooth, steady, and the coordinated. It regulates the contractions of the skeletal muscles. It leads to vomiting and imbalance of the body. And this is the last answer of my question. Thank you, and I will give the
Thank you very much, Nishtara. So, I told them last time to prepare the slides with animation, and some students, they have already tried. So, who is the first one? Who tried first? Nishtara has already tried. Others also you must try. And she has done long questions like sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. I think here question is missing. Here are definition. And again, I think in long question answers, in long question answers, two questions were repeated, like functions of cerebrum, cerebellum, spinal cord or medulla. In two places it was given, and brain also. Anyway, up to there we have done. Now your duty is to complete that much. Okay, your action starts now. Okay, thank you very much, presentators. And remaining will be discussed tomorrow. Why are you going? Right now.
Sir, and what about ours?
Which one?
That next chapter.
No, next chapter, so we'll do next day. Okay. So tomorrow now, the turn may come or may not, I don't know, but you have already prepared, no?